Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Fair Maiden Orchid and Saint Happy by GoGo only. Now I've already started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 on my nails, and this is Orchid from Fair Maiden, and it's from the Garden Trio. And you guys know I'm a sucker for some pretty pink polish, so this one's definitely on my happy list. I love this. It's got a serious strong shimmer going on in it. So pretty. Stunning, actually. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Alright, so first coat's down. We're going to go in with the second coat and get that on there. And I have a lot of people ask me how long I wait. I don't wait. I start with my thumb, paint to my pinky, and then come back and do my ring finger for y'all. And then I go back at my thumb again. So I'm going to top this with I&M's out the door. Get it to dry down, and then we'll be able to do some stamping. You do want to make sure this is dry before you stamp, because if you get in a hurry like I've done in the past, it'll end up smushing and messing it up. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Saint Happy by GoGo only. This is a huge stamping plate. And I'll be using Hit the Bottle Aubergine. It's eggplant color. And my little red stamper from AliExpress. And my H. La Corsador scraper. Now, I'm sorry I'm kind of up in that far corner on this. And eventually it gets worse. It gets to where you can't even see me doing it at all. But anyhow, we're going to get in on it anyway. So those are going to be like my accent nails on my thumb, and I'm going to use the same image on my ring fingernail, but the rest of them are getting this cool circle image. I love this one. There are just so many amazing images on this plate. It's so hard to pick. Love those circles. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and my plate gets cleaned with pure acetone. Yes, indeed. See, I told you it's just going to get worse. You can see I'm up in that corner, but this plate is so big that it just like sits all over my desk. It like hogs up the whole thing. So, but I think it's going to get better here in a minute. Now that we're moving to the other image. So there we go. Going to get that scraped. And do a roll, pick it up, and then plop it on the nails. I do love these plates, though. Love them, love them. And I just figured I was in the mood for a pink and purple mani. You know, it doesn't surprise me. It probably doesn't surprise you. It's just a color combo that I'm just drawn to. I like it. I likes it a lot. I'm going to clean this plate with some pure acetone and wipe it with a lint-free wipe. Get it all cleaned up so I can put it away. And then for some more cleanup, here we go. We're going to clean up around the nails with my little piece of tape. And you can use any kind of tape, Scotch tape, whatever. This is what I prefer. I use masking tape. I like it. And now that that part's done, we're going to get in here with our cleanup brush. And I am trying to get used to the new cleanup brush that I have. And this is from IMK Nails. It's not really new. I've had it for years. But my favorite one that they don't make anymore is not going to last forever. So I'm trying to learn how to use the other one. We're going to top this with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology. And once that is totally dry, I got like a hair or something involved in that. Trying to clean it up. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Yeah, there's a fuzz or something in it. But I'll get it. We're going to now use the Poshe top coat. Yep, it's still hanging on there. It's over on the left side of that nail. I'm just going to kind of swish it up into the polish and make it lay flat. Why fight it, right? If I try to pull it out, I'm just going to mess something up. So I just kind of weaved it in there. There we go. I'm going to cap this free edge here. Oh, come on, girl. Get it. There we go. And then, hi Woody, he's cleaning up my mess. Now I've got a string of nail polish. Lovely. Bouncing around all over the place. There's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.